So you want to make a short film to get your message out to the world. There's just a few things you need to keep in mind. When recording, think about your framing of your shot. So we don't want too much headroom. Going too low can be quite unflattering. You want it right in the middle, and so we can see directly down the lens. Making that eye contact means that you're connecting with your audience. Think about your lighting. Don't stand in front of a window like this because the backlight just becomes too overpowering. If you use that light to your advantage, it's actually quite flattering. When recording sound, think about the background noise. Alexa, stop. This way you'll be able to concentrate and your audience can hear you. Consider your appearance. Remember, this is a representation of you and potentially your organisation. So do not wear t-shirts with logos on or anything that could offend your audience. For example, this Everton shirt. And just one last thing, keep your short film short. 30 to 60 seconds is about the right time to keep your audience engaged. And there you have it, that's all you need to know to make your short film stand out.